Have you ever seen models on the runway or in magazines and wondered, how do they always look this perfect? Do you think it's just good genes or maybe some secret only they know? The truth is, looking like a model isn't just about luck. It's about consistency, discipline, and knowing how to care for your body, mind, and style. And the good news is, you can achieve it too. In this video, we'll take you through all the essential steps to help you transform both your appearance and confidence. From skincare and fitness to nutrition and mastering your own style, we've got it all covered. Stick with us until the end because every tip in this guide can make a huge difference. Ready to become the best version of yourself? Let's dive in. 1. Skincare and body care, the foundation of beauty. Beautiful, healthy skin is one of the key features that make models stand out. But it doesn't just happen overnight. It's the result of a consistent routine. Start every morning by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. This removes dirt, oils, and impurities that accumulate overnight. Cleansing alone isn't enough though. Moisturizing is the next essential step to keep your skin hydrated and soft throughout the day. If you think sunscreen is only for the beach, think again. Sunscreen is one of the most important tools in preventing premature aging. Even on cloudy days or when you're indoors, UV rays can cause damage. Applying sunscreen every day helps protect your skin from wrinkles, discoloration, and dryness. Body care is just as important as facial care. Exfoliate your body at least once a week to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. After showering, use a moisturizing lotion or natural oils like coconut or argan oil to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Pay attention to areas like elbows, knees, and hands. These small details can make a big difference in how you look and feel. 2. Fitness. Sculpting a strong and balanced body. Fitness plays a huge role in achieving a model-like appearance, but it's not about becoming obsessed with unrealistic standards. The goal is to feel strong, healthy, and confident in your own body. You don't need a fancy gym membership to stay fit. Start with simple exercises like brisk walking, running, or swimming. Aim to stay active for at least 30 minutes every day. To build a toned physique, incorporate strength training exercises such as weightlifting, bodyweight workouts, or resistance bands. Strength training not only shapes your muscles, but also improves your posture, giving you that confident and upright stance models are known for. Don't overlook flexibility exercises like yoga or Pilates. They improve your posture, help you move gracefully, and reduce stress. Another important element is posture training. Good posture can make you look taller, slimmer, and more confident. Practice walking with your shoulders back and head held high. Imagine you're on a runway every time you walk. This small habit can transform how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. 3. Nutrition, feeding your body and skin from within. What you put into your body directly impacts how you look and feel. Models follow balanced diets to maintain their energy and appearance. You don't need to follow extreme diets, but you should focus on eating nutrient-rich foods. Start with lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes. These help build muscle and keep you full throughout the day. Fruits and vegetables are your best friends when it comes to skin health. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they help your skin stay youthful and radiant. For healthy fats, include sources like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These support healthy hair and skin. One of the simplest but most effective habits is staying hydrated. Drinking 2 to 3 liters of water every day keeps your skin looking fresh, prevents dryness, and flushes out toxins. If you struggle with drinking plain water, try adding slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint for flavor. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods as they can cause breakouts, fatigue, and weight gain. Self-confidence, the key to unstoppable presence. Confidence is what makes a person truly attractive. No matter how perfect someone looks, without self-assurance, it's hard to leave a lasting impression. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you develop over time. Start by acknowledging your strengths and embracing your unique qualities. Stop comparing yourself to others. The only person you need to compete with is the person you were yesterday. Body language plays a huge role in how confident you appear. Practice standing tall, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and making eye contact when talking to others. These simple changes in posture can instantly boost your confidence. Spend a few minutes every day practicing your walk in front of a mirror. Imagine you're on a runway, head up, shoulders back, and a slight smile on your face. It's also important to develop a positive mindset. Models face rejection all the time, but they don't let it define them. They see every setback as a chance to improve. Adopt the same mentality. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. With practice, you'll become more comfortable in your own skin and radiate confidence wherever you go. 5. Developing your personal style. Be your own icon. Fashion is about more than just wearing trendy clothes. It's about finding what suits you and expresses your personality. Models often experiment with different styles until they discover what makes them feel their best. Don't be afraid to try new things. Mix and match outfits, play with colors, and explore various fabrics to see what resonates with you. Accessories are an easy way to elevate any outfit. A simple watch, a pair of sunglasses, or a signature fragrance can add that extra touch of sophistication. But remember, less is more. The goal is to complement your look, not overwhelm it. The key to developing a great personal style is feeling comfortable and authentic in what you wear. Pay attention to grooming as well. Well-maintained hair, clean nails, and good hygiene are essential. These little things might seem insignificant, but they play a major role in how polished and put together you appear. Whether you're dressing up for an event or just running errands, being well-groomed will make you feel more confident. Your transformation begins today. Becoming model-like isn't about chasing perfection. It's about embracing who you are and making the most of it. When you take care of your skin, body, and mind, the results will naturally shine through. Remember that every model started somewhere. It's the daily habits and consistent effort that make all the difference. Beauty isn't just about appearance, it's a reflection of how you feel inside. When you feel good about yourself, it shows in your posture, your smile, and the way you carry yourself. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 habits from this video and incorporate them into your routine. Over time, you'll see the transformation and feel more confident than ever. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration. Share it with friends who might need a little motivation on their own journey to confidence and style. Now is the perfect time to start. Let's walk this path together toward becoming the best version of ourselves.